In this video, we're computing the definite integral of x plus cosine x on the interval 0 to pi. And I want to point out that there's a really nice trick here for simplifying the work. The cosine function has a symmetry that we can exploit. So if we imagine just splitting this into two integrals, one of them is the integral from 0 to pi of cosine x. Well, here's what that looks like. So on the interval 0 to pi, so pi is right here, the cosine function spends exactly as much time above and below the x-axis. I can tell by symmetry here that that integral is going to vanish. So when I did this integral, I started out by just saying, oh, that part's 0. Now we're just left with the integral of x, and we quickly get 1/2 x squared just using the power rule on that. We're evaluating from 0 to pi. When I sub in the lower limit, I get 0. So I don't even have to do anything there. All I have to do is sub in the upper limit, and I get pi squared over 2. Now, of course, you could have done this the long way, just guessing the antiderivative of the cosine function. That's just the sine function. And when you evaluate that from 0 to pi, you're going to get basically a 0 minus 0 contribution from that part of the integral. But I just wanted to make the point that when you're dealing with sinusoidal functions, you should always be looking for these weird periodicity tricks to trim down on the amount of work that you have to do. If you enjoyed this video, or at least found it useful, check out another one by clicking one of the links on the left. Or click the XaxLab logo on the right to explore dozens of physics and math playlists. As always, you can leave your questions, comments, and requests in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. Thanks for watching XaxLab, and best of luck on your math and physics journey.